Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for the absolute inequalities. By referring to the theorem that we have solved the situation. So kindly take note. What we have to do is to make sure the situation is in this form. So notice that we have the modulus and then we also have the 3. So kindly rearrange the 3. So we will have the situation modulus for x over x plus with the 4 less than equals to 5 minus 3, then we have 2. Next, only based on the theorem, define the situation. We have x over x plus 4. The number is from the negative 2 until 2. Or, refers to the definition in here, we have x over x plus with the 4 less than equals to 2 and x over x plus with the 4 greater equals to negative 2. So that is the definition. Focus on the left hand side. So x minus 2 multiplied with x plus with the 4 over x plus 4 less than equals to 0. Expand and then simplify. So we have x minus 2x minus with the 8 over x plus with the 4 less than equals to 0. So negative x, negative 8 over x plus 4. So here we already have the simplest form. So next, split the situation. Negative x, negative 8 greater equals to 0. So x greater than negative 4. So x will be less than equals to negative 8. Illustrate the situation in a real number line. So we have negative 8 and negative 4. Then circle. And then empty circle. So we have a negative. So negative, positive, negative. So the answer, focus on the negative side. So the answer will be negative infinity until negative 8. Union. Start from negative 4 until infinity, where the negative 4 is not included. So that is the answer for the left hand side. Focus on the right hand side. So x plus with the 2 multiplied with x plus with 4 over x plus 4 greater equals to 0. So we have 3x plus with the 8 over x plus 4. That is the simplest form. So determine the sign, where we have a positive. Continue. X greater equals to negative 8 over 3. X greater than negative 4. Illustrate the situation in a real number line. So we have the real number line. Next, we have the negative 4. And then continue by negative 8 over 3. So empty circle towards the left, towards the right. And then circle towards the right. So we have positive, negative, positive. So the answer will be the positive. So negative infinity until negative 4. Negative 4 is not included. Union. Negative 8 over 3 until infinity. Next is to combine them with the operation n. Another real number line. So focus on the blue in color. We have the value negative 8 and then we have negative 4. For the green in color, we have negative 4 and negative 8 over 3. Illustrate the blue in color. So we have the empty become then circle. On the same level, we have the negative 4. That is the answer for the left hand side, which is blue in color. Next, move on with the green in color. So empty, circle for the negative 4, and then circle for the negative 8 over 3. Remember, for the n symbol means that we have the intersection. So here we have the intersection. Here we have the intersection. So the answer would be negative infinity until negative 8. Union. Start from negative 8 over 3 until infinity. So that is the answer for these questions. Next, we'll move on with the alternative. Next, focus on the blue in color. So based on the situation, we have the modulus of x over the modulus for x plus with the 4 less than equals to 2. So focus on the denominator, we have the modulus, so means that we can cross multiply. But with the restriction, 2 multiplied with the modulus for x plus 4, restriction, x cannot be equals to negative 4. Next, what we can do is to square both sides. Next, we will have x squared, 4 multiplied with x squared plus with the 8x plus with the 16. So 4x squared plus with the 32x plus with the 64 minus x squared. And then greater equals to 0. So 3x squared plus with the 32x plus with the 64 greater equals to 0. Next is to factorize the situation. If we have the situation 3x plus with the 8 and then x plus with the 8. So this is the product that after we factorize the situation. Since this is the simplest form, so determine the sign. So x is greater equals to negative 8 over 3. X is greater and equals to negative 8. And then do remember the restriction. X cannot be equals to negative 4. Kindly illustrate the situation in a real number line. So we have negative 8, negative 4, and then negative 8 over 3. Illustrate the situation. Then circle towards the right. Then circle towards the right. So we have a negative part. So answer, prefer the positive. So our answer would be negative infinity until negative 8 union. Start from negative 8 over 3 until positive infinity. So that is the alternative in order to solve this kind of problem. But do remember, without the definition. Because the question didn't mention by using the definition, that's why we are allowed to do so. If the question mentioned about by using the definition, then we have to use the definition, but not for the cross-multiply situation. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.